How to make adult students feel good about coming to every class. Do you ever worry that your students see class as just another chore in their exhausting week? Are you tired of watching attendance drop because your learners don't feel a strong connection to the classroom? Adult students juggle heavy responsibilities, so the classroom must be a place where they feel valued, supported, and successful. Use these 7 strategies to build an environment that makes your students eager to return every session. 1. Prioritize student needs in every lesson. Align your daily objectives with the specific goals and challenges your learners face in the real world. When students see an immediate benefit to their personal or professional lives, they find the motivation to show up. 2. Make every single minute count. Ensure each lesson delivers a tangible win or a new skill that students can use right away. Busy adults respect a teacher who values their time and provides a high return on their emotional and physical investment. 3. Foster a strong learning community. Create a classroom atmosphere that is both enjoyable and intellectually stimulating. A positive environment reduces anxiety and transforms the school building into a sanctuary of growth rather than a source of stress. 4. Promote consistent peer collaboration. Organize tasks that require students to work together and support one another. These social bonds create a sense of belonging and accountability that keeps learners coming back for their teammates. 5. Build deep personal connections. Take the time to learn your students' names, stories, and motivations. A simple, genuine check-in at the start of class shows that you see them as human beings, not just seat numbers. 6. Celebrate every achievement. Recognize small victories, such as a perfect quiz score or a brave contribution to a discussion. Public or private praise reinforces a student's belief in their own capability and fuels their desire to succeed. 7. Cultivate an excellent team spirit. Treat the entire class as a unified team with a common mission. When the group shares a "we are in this together" mindset, the collective energy carries everyone through the difficult parts of the semester. You make students feel good about coming to class by focusing on their needs, respecting their time, and building a joyful community. Strong peer support and personal connections ensure that every learner feels seen and valued. Finally, when you celebrate their wins and foster a true team spirit, you create a classroom culture that students simply do not want to miss.
Share this video in your network. And don't forget to browse our website for more teaching strategies and textbooks. Also, does your curriculum director, instructional specialist, or lead teacher know they can request samples and review CBL Math, Reading, or ESL textbooks by contacting us today? If these insights help you, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video on effective practical strategies. The CBL team. Your partner in student engagement, retention, and learning.